Welcome to the BudgetEase Broadcast. Hi, I'm Kathy,
And I'm Cheryl,
and we're QuickBooks experts.
and today's topic is our favorite QuickBooks reports.
Absolutely. We see so many of our clients, especially new clients, come in and they have report overlord. Overload.
Or overlord, whatever.
Anyway, this whatever it is, this is a result of possibly you went to a seminar and they gave you a list of reports that you're supposed to look at regularly, or I'm not sure how it happens, but there's so many reports that they lose their meaning. And so how do you get a concise group of reports? Well, my number one suggestion would be to talk to your controller about what you're trying to accomplish and what you'd like to see on a regular basis, and let them design a group of reports that are going to specifically meet your needs. And if they don't, give them feedback and they'll be happy to make adjustments for you.
Oh, for sure. And I think any good bookkeeper or controller is going to understand what you want to see and what you should be seeing. So I have favorites. I'm sure your controller does as well. One of my favorite reports is the profit and loss by month. I love any report by month, but I really love this one. It shows you what you've paid throughout the month,
Yep.
maybe what you didn't pay, and just any gaps, and gives you a good idea of what's happened throughout the month and perhaps the year.
Sure. I think that's what the number one report that people kind of go to.
Yeah.
But don't forget the balance sheet. The balance sheet has all kinds of information on it as well. It also has a variety of mistakes that happened by accident, possibly many years ago. I would say that our new clients that come in have errors. 90% of them have errors on their balance sheet. Yes, they really do. So someone hasn't been looking at the balance sheet. If you take a moment each month to look at your balance sheet and ask questions, you're going to dramatically improve the accuracy of your financial information, as well as not having lingering mistakes from years, bygone days.
So, we all have heard of the balance sheet and the profit and loss, and believe me, they're exciting, but there are other things that are really equally important to look at and often overlooked. So one of those reports is the Open Invoice Report. You can see what clients owe you and how long they've owed you. A vendor transaction summary will give you that same data on vendors, but instead of you owe them in this case. And are you paying a vendor repeatedly that maybe you ought to streamline some work? I don't know. So it's a good way to look and see.
Yeah, lots of opportunities in these variety of reports. So I hope you found this BudgetEase broadcast helpful.
And don't forget that we make QuickBooks work for you.
Thank you.
Thanks.